P2 Bowman Chrome Hobby, 4 boxes. PYT 127 fresh case. Let's open it up. Give me some numbers. Let's see the first 4 numbers, 1 through 12. I'll grab those. Give me the first 4 numbers. Everybody throw one number. The first 4 numbers I see, 1 through 12. Those are the boxes we'll do. Let's pick some numbers while I write out the post-it. 1 through 12. We got 8. D Cope has selected 8. We're going to do 8. 5 for Big Dog. 12 for the June. Going to the corner. Christopher Wallace, what's up, sir? Doubled up with the 12 spot. All right, nobody wants to give another number? I'll do 6, my favorite number. Second favorite number. We don't have 16 is not an option, so we'll go with 6. We'll go with 6. Good luck. It's 2022 Chrome Home. ET Phone Home. Chrome Hobby, 4 box, PT 127. Good luck. We'll do 7 and 8 on the next one, D and E. Gotta be quick like a fox. Plus, you already called the number, D. You can only call 1. I could do 8 for the EFRO. Could do 8 for the EFRO. How's the Mikey Romero collection coming along, D? I heard you bought this. Did you buy the Super? I think somebody told me you bought the Super. And I do 8 twice. That's amazing. I hope you got a good number on it, D. Congratulations, bro. That's a hell of a piece to have. I don't know if you were here earlier. I was talking about how Paul Michio and I have been toying around with the idea of splitting the Yonkil Superfractor. What's up, Jax? There was something, yeah, that we were really... 138s? 130? No, we should have right there. There should be some right here. That's why sometimes I keep an extra one down here just in case. Yeah, we need more. I know. It was a top loader deficiency in Blez 1. We got them covered here with the Blez 2 backup. I put Sonic on the screen, Eric, but I also am going to put TCU on the screen. I think that they're both going to run at the end of the night, Mr. Cross. Both Sonic and TCU will run at the end of the night. So figure like 3-4 hours from now. Like 3 hours from now, they'll both run. Like around midnight, like 11:30. Honestly, maybe 2 hours from now. Depends on how we're moving. But 2 to 3 hours from now, probably, we'll try to run both TCU and Sonic if we can fill them up. They're not that far away. They're both within reach. I'll try to do at least one of them tonight. I like that color. I like that color. That's good color here. Thank you, EC. I love it. I might do a giveaway soon. I want to give something away to the room. I just want to give stuff away. Let's give away backers money, shall we? I think it's time to give something away. The wood was in the giving spirit before. I think we have to. I think we have to show the wood that we are also in the giving spirit. What should we give away? What should we give away? I know what I might want to give away. I have an idea of what I can give away. This might be really fun. Bro. I was gonna say I gotta check the price. Let me check the price real fast. Yes, I'll do it. I'll do it. I think I know what I can give away. It's worth the same, a little more actually. It's worth more. Never mind. It's worth even more than what that random spot was worth earlier. I'll give away something worth like 150, 60 bucks. Alright, I know what I'm going to give away, but I'm going to wait until after this. Ooh, more good color. Say it ain't so. Man, this could be a really sick 4-boxer. I believe these are in order, so this is 8, 5, 12, and 6. Just remember, your boy Brown picked number 6. I'll take the blame and the credit at the same time. Good luck, 4-boxer, 137. Let's do it. 127, excuse me. Brandon Marsh, refractor to 499. And our first auto is going to be Drew Ellis for Keaton Lay and the Diamondbacks. Yordan Alvarez on the action shot to 199. Aqua Raywave. What is that? Gold Shimmer coming up. It's Junior Perez for the A's. Oakland and Noah eating heavily today. Oakland, you are feasting today, sir. Junior Perez on the gold wave. That's numbered, total shocker, 16 out of 50. My favorite number. Jose Rodriguez, base auto for the Rangers. Rain, making it rain to 250. O'Neal on the base there. Wander making a shade of greatness for us. I'm good.
You good?
It's a small one, yeah.
Okay, you got a big one coming up after this?
Later. If you want to help Jags, you can. If Jags...
If you need to,
Yep.
then I'll be back if you need me.
Thank you, Senior. You're the best. Thank you. Danny V for the Royals. To Chief Keef. Luis Rodriguez. Don't jump. Cesar to 499 for the Orioles. Tatis Jr. to 499 in the refractor for the Padres. There's a Pena base. And BJ Murray Jr. Blue Ray Wave team color match to 150. 37 out of 150 on the BJ Murray Jr. Let's sleeve up some cards. Bills is back, baby. Baby, come back. Do 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 do. There's the cubby. The cubby that the Bills wanted to connect with. Baby, come back. Do 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 do. Just the way. Do 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 do, baby come back. Do-do-do-do-do. Samuel, that is 100%. Samuel, what you just did with the number 3 is exactly what I would do. If I were on your... Yes, June. No, but June, you already did 2. It doesn't work the same when you already dropped it. Oh my god, did they even do a version decope? Thank god I never heard it. Thank god I never heard it. Hasn't been ruined for me yet until I see it and hear it. Vladdy Jr. to 250. I'm excited to get to the spicy color here. We have spicy color in this break. Yasir on the Shimsky. And Alexis Hernandez. Lubob for the White Sox. Royland on the base auto for the Stros going to Keaton. And Pedro Pineda back to Noah on the cotton candy. Peace to 125. They're ping-ponging over there. They're ping-ponging. Staying with Noah, it's Angeles to 250 on the purple shim. Rain and Jordani, Oscar, and CJ Rodriguez back to Oakland. Crazy. Oakland having themselves a nice few breaks here. There's a Jose Ramos that came to the league for the Dodgers. I think that's number 150. Yes, sir. O'Neal, Shade of Greatness. Yankiel on the first. Wander on the base. Yasir on the base. Torque on the base, Balcazar on the base, and we press on. Pena Refractor to $4.99 for Houston and Keaton Lay. Solid card. The Pena Rookie Refractor, $191 to $4.99. Baby Cheerio on the base, followed by Mejia, and then Barosa. Jorge Barosa. I love his auto with the Asian characters. For Keaton Lay, base auto of Barosa. Vaquero. And Yerlin on the base. Kelnick to $199. Aqua Ray Wave. Something's hiding behind Royce here. It's a purple. De Jesus, very crispy. The Dodgers. The 250. Going over to the Efro on the De Jesus. 176 to 250. People like De Jesus. People like Alex. I will save the spicy heat for the end. Jose Miranda to 250 for the Twins. That's interesting. And then right behind it is a Vaquero to $4.99. Usually you don't get 2 colored hits back to back like that. Is that because I did the thing with the hands? Probably. Miranda, that's probably why. Vaquero to $4.99. $4.40 to $4.99. Nice Vaquero for K-Fed. I'm getting messages. I think Erica is here. Oh. I don't know what else to say except okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Bobby Witt on the base. Meza and Velasquez on there first. We have Orange Shimmer. Let's finish it up. It's McLean, Bergoa. For the Cardinals, with ink, it's a strong finish. I'm glad we saved this puppy till the end. Mejia, 18/25 for Donald and the Cardinals. Orange Shimmer autograph. That's a strong card. Donald. Got a little something for you there, sir. Donald has been waiting patiently for a nice hit today. This was box number 60. The last one. We sleeve it up. We'll take some pictures of Mr. Mejia. We'll put him on the stand for a Beat the Sort. Yeah, this is out of the 4-boxer. It's crazy. I love the 4. The 4-boxers have been delivering. What's up, Compton? The 4-boxers have been delivering recently. Today they've been delivering, that's for sure. Let me take a picture. The good news is we should have more colored ink in the next 4. Or in all of the next 8, because we got crushed in the war against base autos. Mejia was only one of our 2 numbered autos in the whole 4 boxers. So, all right, here's the recap. What's up, Matador? All right, here's the recap. A few base of our boys. There's Jose Ramos that came to the league. Kelnick Vaquero to 499. Miranda and De Jesus Pena on the refractor to 499. Mercedes on a shimmer. Pineda to 125. Alvarez. Junior Perez to 50 gold shimmer. Rain also in there. And here are the autographs. 6 base autos and 2 numbered autos. Rodriguez, Barossa, Royland, Drew Ellis on the rookie auto, Jose Rodriguez and Danny Vasquez, BJ Murray Jr. to 150 Blu-ray Wave, and Mejia 18/25. That's a Beat the Sort. Goes on the stand. Beautiful. Thank you for joining. That was 127 4-box Bowman Chrome Hobby. Thank you. That was a break.